This is Carrie Mae's newest urban center, and we think it's important to get the services up and rolling even if the signage isn't.
Many of your centers are located in high crime areas. Are you worried about violence against your employees?
Well, we take the safety of our employees pretty seriously, which is why all of our field consultants receive specialized training to deal with extreme situations.
Conflict resolution, that type of thing?
Sure, absolutely.
Have you met up with any resistance from the communities that you're servicing?
Sadly, yes, sometimes we do, and that's unfortunate because studies have really shown a strong correlation between educated young women and raising the entire family above the poverty line.
Stop it!
Educated women have fewer children and increased income. Ooh, time for some inside jokes, and we're walking. Are you filming?
Hey, we're authorized by Carrie Mae to be here. We have full access to...
Turn it off!